10 surprising ways garlic boosts your health. Incredible smell, amazing medical advantages. Garlic. Cooked in olive oil, it can dissolve in your mouth like margarine, while hacked and crude, it can taste impactful and sharp. In any case, this spice-like vegetable offers huge advantages, on the all-around. Also, it's flavorful. It's the natural sulfur compound allicin in garlic that gives it its impactful smell and makes it a solid expansion to your eating regimen, says dietitian Laura Jeffers, Med. Rhode, LD. Jeffers offers 6 amazing ways that garlic helps your well-being. 1. Lifts resistance. Who knew boosting your invulnerability can be just about as basic as eating more garlic? As per one examination including 41,000 moderately aged ladies, the individuals who regularly ate garlic, leafy foods had a 35% lower colon disease hazard. Remember that advantages came from crude and cooked garlic, not enhancements. 2. Fills in as a calming. Research has shown that garlic oil functions as a mitigating. On the off chance that you have sore and aroused joints or muscles, rub them with the oil. The Arthritis Foundation even prescribes it to help forestall ligament harm from joint inflammation. 3. Improves cardiovascular well-being. Research shows that it can decidedly affect your conduits and pulse. Specialists accept red platelets transform the sulfur in garlic into hydrogen sulfide gas that extends our veins, making it simpler to control pulse. Fortunately, you might have the option to put your pulse prescription away, so talk with your primary care physician if adding more garlic to your eating routine could be useful for you. 4. Gives you better hair and skin. Garlic's cell reinforcements and antibacterial properties can clear up your skin by murdering skin inflammation causing microscopic organisms. One investigation shows scouring crude garlic over pimples can clean them up. Know, however, that it could create a consuming uproar on your skin. Talk with your dermatologist first prior to putting skin breakout on your skin in the event that you are utilizing some other items, as well. 5. Secures your food. Those equivalent antibacterial properties in new garlic can slaughter the microbes that lead to food contamination, including Salmonella and E. coli. Try not to utilize garlic as a substitute for appropriate food disinfection and food dealing with, however. 6. Treat competitor's foot. Garlic additionally battles organism. On the off chance that you have a competitor's foot, absorb your feet garlic water or rub crude garlic on your feet to assault the tingle causing growth. 7. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative harm from free extremists adds to the maturing cycle. Garlic contains cell reinforcements that help the body's defensive instruments against oxidative harm. High portions of garlic supplements have been appeared to expand cancer prevention agent proteins in people, just as altogether lessen oxidative pressure in those with hypertension. The joint consequences for decreasing cholesterol and pulse, just as the cell reinforcement properties, may lessen the danger of normal cerebrum infections like Alzheimer's illness and dementia. Garlic contains cancer prevention agents that secure against cell harm and maturing. It might lessen the danger of Alzheimer's sickness and dementia. 8. The possible impacts of garlic on lifespan are fundamentally difficult to demonstrate in people. However, given the gainful impacts on significant danger factors like pulse, it bodes well that garlic could help you live more. The way that it can battle irresistible illness is additionally a significant factor, on the grounds that these are regular reasons for death, particularly in the older or individuals with broken resistant frameworks. Garlic has known advantageous impacts on regular reasons for persistent sickness, so it bodes well that it could likewise help you live more. 9. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high dosages, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been appeared to shield against organ harm from hefty metal poisonousness. A 4-week concentrate in representatives of a vehicle battery plant, extreme openness to lead, found that garlic decreased lead levels in the blood by 19%. It additionally decreased numerous clinical indications of harmfulness, including cerebral pains and circulatory strain. 3 portions of garlic every day even beat the medication D-penicillamine in diminishing indications. Garlic was appeared to essentially lessen lead poisonousness and related side effects in a single report. 10. Garlic is easy to include in your diet and tastes absolutely delicious. The last one isn't a medical advantage, yet is as yet significant. Garlic is exceptionally simple, and flavorful, to remember for your present eating regimen. It supplements most exquisite dishes, especially soups and sauces. The solid taste of garlic can likewise add a punch to in any case boring plans. Garlic comes in a few structures, from entire cloves and smooth glues to powders and enhancements like garlic concentrate and garlic oil. Nonetheless, remember that there are a few disadvantages to garlic, like terrible breath. There are additionally a few group who are sensitive to it. In the event that you have a draining issue or are taking blood diminishing prescriptions, converse with your primary care physician prior to expanding your garlic consumption. A typical method to utilize garlic is to press a couple of cloves of new garlic with a garlic press. At that point blend it in with additional virgin olive oil and a touch of salt. This is a sound and too fulfilling dressing. Garlic is delightful and simple to add to your eating regimen. You can utilize it in flavorful dishes, soups, sauces, dressings, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. The bottom line. For millennia, garlic was accepted to have restorative properties. Science has now affirmed it.